I am Bandar Salman. I look after customer service. At GulfTek, we work 24/7. We have a modern manufactured shop with latest CNC machines.
My name is Bushra. My role is to listen to our customers' requirements and ensure timely response. We have experienced design, quality, and engineering team in-house in Saudi Arabia. For the majority of time, they can come up very quickly with solutions to meet our customers' needs.
We hold large inventory worth millions of dollars of raw materials and API steel in our facility.
GulfTek was formed with one single motive, and that is to provide world-class services to our customers locally. I'm extremely proud of our team. They are highly experienced professionals and have a proven track record in manufacturing oil and gas equipment and services. We believe in doing it right first time. At GulfTek, we work round the clock and we hold a large inventory of raw material and spare parts just to ensure our customers can get the deliveries when they want it. We have invested in a modern, state-of-the-art manufacturing facility which has 5 API licenses for manufacturing drilling and pressure control equipment. We have also formed technology transfer agreements with various OEMs to manufacture flow meters, valves, and instrumentation fittings under Saudi Aramco Activa program. GulfTek also stocks a large inventory of flow iron products in partnership with Intervention Rental UK. We are here to serve you. You're most welcome to visit our facility at 2nd Industrial City in Dammam. We are looking forward to hearing from you.